Abezindaba e-Iran babike ukuthi Israel ihlasele isikhungo lapho kuqhaqizwa khona imicibisho lekhafula umlilo eKosher. Nangomfumfu nyakanye i-Israel ikiyasihlasela lesi sikhungo.
We are aiming at military targets. They are attacking civilian homes. The IDF will continue to operate with precision, strength and resolve to ensure the safety of the people of Israel.
Lezi nxushunxushu phakathi kwe-Israel ne-Iran namhlanje zingene osukwini lwesithupha yize umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump anxusa iTehran ukuba iyinikele. Waxwayisa-ke ngokuthi iMelika isiphelelwa isineke futhi-ke ayihlosile ukubulala umholi wase-Iran okwamanje. Kodwa umholi we-Iran usikhahlelile isicelo sika-Trump kanti i-Iran ithi izophendula ngendlela efanele uma iMelika ixambukela kulimpi.
We firmly believe that the United States is complicit in what Israel is doing. Israel without the United States is nothing.
Lempi ebambene emoyeni phakathi kwalamazwe omabili yabhebhetheka emva kokuthi Israel yajuma emoyeni Iran ngolesihlanu olwedlule isola ngokwakha izikhali zembubhiso.
Our activities is totally peaceful, and our nuclear peaceful activities is under the supervision, under the verification, and under the inspection of IAEA as the international body that can recognize and observe the activity of the member state. And there are cameras, there are inspectors inside Iran.
Ukusuka lapho i-Iran bilokhu idedele njalo imicibisho lekhafula umlilo eminye yakwazi nanokunqamula ubuchwepheshe bakwa-Israel obuvimba emoyeni imicibisho lekhafula umlilo i-Iron Dome.